Hello, George, manager of Foodforest. And that's a hummingbird moth. Anyone's not seen one before. The first time I'd seen one was years ago in this butterfly bush. Wrong button. The butterfly bush is invasive. They came right up to us and I missed it. I shouldn't move so fast. They're shy. It's super cool. Maybe I'll attach another video I have of them just a second ago. But he's in the food forest, in the bottom of the food forest, and it isn't invasive. I have the one, and I cut it back hard. But we can see the elderberry behind that flowering, and blueberries, multiple kinds of blueberries, and pawpaws, and gummy berries, and pears, and so on. We're in the, like I said, in the shadiest part, and grapes. Wineberries coming on now. Lots of mint we're walking through. There's some mosquitoes, so I rub that on me to get the terpenes up in the air. Push the mosquitoes away. Wineberries are just coming on. Stinging nettles we use in so many ways to feed us and the soil around us. Apples behind us. And so on up through. That's why I call it a food forest. There's food everywhere. More grapes and black raspberries and horseradish and another gummy of a different kind. Oh, and there's so on. I've seen showed a lot of these videos, but we can see gooseberries, jostaberries, currants, all in their positions in these guilds. Whether we're using figs, apples, lots of grafts on them. The bush layer that are nitrogen fixers. The climbing layers like the grapes. The edible ground covers and flowers and shrub layer, herbaceous layer. Wonderful mints all over this place that smell wonderful. See all the currants in here. And so on. Change could be better than a holiday and long overdue. Just like to share that butterfly moth. Peace. Well, you want to see the rest? Walk up to the garden with me. Beans climbing the fence everywhere. Lots of flowers, lots of figs. Looks like it's going to be a huge fig year. We're harvesting tons of raspberries every day. Here we can see the figs. Oh, and more mulberries are coming on hard right now. I've been feasting on them. You see these are hanging down on the cherries that we've already harvested. The gooseberry's too much in the shade now. One gummy berry over there. Let's keep going. Yellow raspberries over here as soon as we step out of the shade. Walking by bananas. We don't get bananas, but they're pretty. Hi, sis. Scaring the ducks. Up here in the pond. Hi, guys. Just me. What are y'all rattled about? All right. Change me better on a holiday. Peace.